Posting video content on Instagram is a really powerful way to improve your organic reach and engagement. And video content on Instagram can be incredibly effective in both the Reels and the Stories format. So which one should you go for? Because both Reels and Stories have their own pros and cons. So in this video, I'll go over how each of them can be used to grow your following and your business. Hi, I'm Caroline. I've been a copywriter and marketing consultant for over a decade, and on this channel you get all the strategies you need to be successful with your marketing. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start with Instagram Reels. You know, those videos that play like a series of short clips. They are a really great choice if you're trying to grow your audience. You see, the Instagram algorithm shows your Reels to people who aren't already following your account. So it's your chance to get discovered by new people who haven't heard of you before. So if you're a business using Instagram to connect with your audience, or if you're a creator trying to increase your following, then Reels is a really good option for you. You can also use Reels to share whatever makes the most sense for your type of brand. For example, if you sell your knowledge, then you can use Reels to showcase your skills and provide value by giving helpful tips and to highlight an aspect of your brand or product that sets you apart from your competitors. They're also a really great option if you want to make your content more engaging for your existing fans. And Reels are great for sharing video testimonials. So if you put a reel together with a series of former customers who love your product, it'll create so much social proof. It'll definitely impact your brand in a really great way. Also, Reels is great as a sort of appetizer for your longer form content. So if you have a longer educational video, for example, on YouTube or on your website, then you can share a small piece of it as a reel to get your followers interested in watching the rest of it. And then you can direct that traffic over to the other platforms. If you like this content so far, then remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon for notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, so moving on to Instagram Stories, you know, those ones that disappear after 24 hours. They will only be shown to your existing followers. Stories are a great way to share behind the scenes looks at your day-to-day life as a business owner, for example, a day in the office. You can even use stories to share like moments from your private life, like if you're hanging out with your pet or you're doing your hobby or you're out traveling. If you don't mind sharing that part of your personal life with your followers. Because most people who follow someone online, even if they're a professional brand, they love to see those little snippets of what kind of person you are in your private life, and it'll definitely increase the sense of connection your followers feel towards you. Stories are also great if you want to build a community of loyal fans who regularly engage with your brand and are excited to see what you have to share next and what you're up to right now. If you have a new product about to launch, you can use stories to create a little bit of noise and excitement around it as sort of a pre-launch campaign where you show some previews of what's coming soon. See, that way, when you do launch, you'll have a group of people who are already interested in buying your new product. So to sum up, Reels are great for attracting new followers and building your audience, especially if you're starting from scratch. Client testimonials and other forms of social proof, and value-based content like tips and tutorials. And stories are great for behind-the-scenes shots from your day right now, previews of upcoming products and services to create an excitement around your product before the actual launch, and then all kinds of videos that are more spontaneous and don't need a lot of editing. So whether you want to go for Reels or Stories, or if you want to go for both, the most important thing is to make sure that your video content is relevant to your audience. This means making sure your video content is catered to your audience's interests and not just whatever's popular at the moment. So this also means being selective with the types of videos you post on Instagram. So aim to post videos that your audience will find entertaining, educational, and inspirational. If you want to make sure your Instagram bio is the best it can possibly be, then go ahead and click on this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day.